Hi, welcome back guys. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to use Play Protect features in Google Play Store. Maybe you want to scan viruses using Play Protect features in Google Play Store, but you don't know how. So today, I am going to show you how to use Play Protect features in Google Play Store. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get started. First you need to do is to open your Google Play Store application. Once you are in here, tap your profile icon at the upper right corner of your screen. And then in this prompt, you will see Play Protect. Tap on it. And then in here, you will see No Harmful Apps Found. You can also scan it again by tapping on Scan. You will see scanning is in progress. You will just need to wait for it. And now, that is the result. No harmful apps found. Play Protect regularly check your apps and device for harmful behavior. You will be notified of any security risk found. There you go. If you wanted to know how to use Play Protect features in Google Play Store, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to use Play Protect features in Google Play Store, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.